Hi guys, welcome to our channel. And what we're going to do today, Juliet?
We're going to make a cruffin.
What is cruffin?
A cruffin is a mix between a croissant and a muffin.
Croissant and a muffin. That sounds just amazing. And tell me, where is this recipe popular from?
It was popular in Australia and it's sometimes popular in San Fransisco.
And San Francisco. Can we put any fillings on it?
Yes.
Yes, we can. But today we're not going to make with fillings now. So what the people need to do, the ones that are watching our video, what they have to do?
Like!
To leave a like.
Subscribe!
To subscribe.
Ring notification bell!
Yes, put the notifications bell.
Share to your friends!
Share to your friends. This is kind of like every video, but guys, please do it. Some of our followers are not receiving the notification, so if you do it, more people will be seeing our video. Juliet's gonna be cooking more and more and more and more, and you guys can try our recipes at home. Now I think you guys should follow the recipe in today.
Little message. There's a little glitch coming around when you subscribe, and YouTube sometimes unsubscribes you, so please double check.
Double check, yes. Keep in mind, double check. Now it's time for you to follow us until the end of this video or the recipe and try with us this nice cruffin.
The ingredients are down there.
Ingredients are always down in the box description below. Now let's go to the recipe.
First, now we're going to activate the yeast. So first of all, we will need 106 milliliters of warm milk. And actually, to activate the yeast, we're going to have 1 spoon of sugar. Then we're going to add 10 grams of dry yeast. Just the whole thing. And now we're going to mix it. So first, we're going to add 350 grams of flour. By the way, it's 350. Now we're going to add 160 grams of milliliters of milk plus the yeast that we did before. Now we're going to add 1 egg. Now we're going to add 70 grams of sugar. Now we're going to add 100 grams of melted butter. And now we're going to add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Now we're going to add a pinch of salt. And now we're going to knead it for 10 minutes. You can do manual too if you wish, but we're going to use the bread maker. We were in the middle of the kneading, and we added 50 grams of flour to keep it the right consistency. And by the way, I have 2 little helpers here. So now we're gonna, since we already have the dough in the mixer, we're gonna leave it for 1 hour to proof.
Guys, so now the dough has proved. Now as we are working here, we work in a team. So the dough has proved. So after 1 hour, we have such amazing dough here. Yeah. Took everything out. I'm gonna put a little bit of flour on the table, as usual, right? When you have a dough, you put a little bit of flour on the table. Beautiful. So now, we're gonna use a baking tray with 6 holes, with 12 holes. So now we're gonna cut our dough in 6. Okay? So we have the dough in the middle here. Let's cut this in 6. So in the middle. Okay, we go 1, 3 here. Okay, there we go, 3 here. Okay. Now that we have Now that we have cut in 6 pieces, what we're going to do, we're going to open, yeah? I'm gonna put that on the side in here. You can use the rolling, you know, the dough, rolling dough, but I will be using the machine today. You know, the pasta machine. So I'm gonna use the pasta machine with Juliet's hand. So Juliet will be helping me to do the first dough. Let's go, Juliet. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to do the first one, and then we carry on the process to the rest, okay? So we're just going to batter it. Just going to put that extra batter in the room temperature that you guys will have on the side. And we're gonna do batter it. And we're gonna be rolling very, very close. So we're done. The dough very, very carefully and very thin. Now we're gonna be rolling here. This is the roll. What we're going to do is we're gonna put in a baking tray and leave it for 10 minutes to rest. Okay, we come back after 10 minutes to see it, how it looks like. Now they have proof for 10 minutes. What we're going to do is, it's a very simple process. We're gonna cut like that, and we're gonna cut in the middle with a very sharp knife. Yeah, you're gonna cut it until the end, to the other side, sharp in the middle, like that. You open into here, okay. So we're gonna make like this now. You're gonna roll, and the base, okay. And the second one the same. You roll, and then put underneath in the base. And with that, gonna melt the pan. Now the baking tray. We're gonna batter it. See, we're gonna batter everything here. Yeah, we're battering the all. We're gonna be battering all. So I'm gonna put that with that inside and inside that. And one more. Roll like that, and underneath and inside here. Like this. I'm gonna do all, and I'm gonna keep it for another 25 minutes to prove, keep improving, and then I'll be baking it in the oven for 190 degrees, preheated for 10 minutes, and I'm gonna put it for around 25, maximum 30 minutes, and we come back when the product is finalized, coming hot and nice from the oven. See you in a second.
Guys, now we should end the video. Now it's time for tasting.
Shall we taste our Cruffin?
Yes.
Let's go. Let's open it. Let's show it to the guys. Look. This is all the layers. Look at how you're gonna eat. This, you got the layers in here. This is how we're gonna eat. Nice. Everything. Super nice, no? Super nice. Guys, if you do like the recipe, don't forget to follow us to the end of the video. Oh, end of the video. But don't forget to follow us on the next videos in our channel as well. What is the channel?
Taking risk in the kitchen.
Taking risk in the kitchen. So follow.
Stop going. Stop eating with my mouth full.
Stop talking to my mouth full. No, stop eating to my mouth full. But right, guys, you got the idea. These are the Cruffins. They are really nice and easy to make. Now we're going to carry on eating, and you guys, if you want it, you have to try at home. Now it's time to say bye, Juliet.
Bye.
Bye.